Dear students, today we will solve some problems of significant figure. Here I have taken some questions of significant figure, but I will suggest you that you should try these problems by your own first. Once you have done these problems, then you can match your answers with my answers. So pause the video and try the questions. So here is the answer of your question. Our first question was 45.95 into 0.061. So when you multiply this number to this number, you will get 2.80295. But this cannot be your final answer, because as we know that in multiplication we have to report our answer up to the same number of significant figure as are present in the term with the least number of significant figure. So here this number has 4 significant figure and this number has 2 significant figure. So we have to round off this digit into the number which has 2 significant figure. So simply we will take two initial non-zero digits, 2.8. So it will be your final answer. Next question is 312.6 divided by 14.68. So like multiplication, in division also we have to report our answer with least significant figure. So this number has 4 significant figure and this number is also have 4 significant figure. So we will take 4 non-zero digits from the initial position. 21.294277, we will take 21.92. So this is our final answer. Next question is 6.7 multiplied by this and divided by 11.8. So as we know that in multiplication and division, in both we have to report our answer with the least significant figure. So here this number has 2 significant figure, this number has 3 significant figure, and this number is also has 3 significant figure. So we have to report our answer in 2 significant figure. So you will have 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 3 as your answer. Our next question is 312.6 minus 14.68. Unlike multiplication and division, in subtraction we have to focus on the decimal point. We have to report our answer up to the same number of decimal places as are present in the term with the least number of decimal places. So this number has 1 decimal place and this number has 2 decimal place. So it is clear that we have to report our answer with 1 decimal place. So when you subtract this this number from this number, you will get this, and our answer will be 297.9 only. We will remove this, okay, because we have to give our answer with 1 decimal place. Similarly, next question 515.69 plus 312.812. So when you add this number with this number, you will get this. It has 2 decimal place, it has 3 decimal place, so it has the least number of decimal places, so we have to report our answer with 2 decimal places. So our answer will be 828.50. okay. And last question, last part of the first question is 5.4 into 10 to the power 3 into this divided by this. So as we know that in multiplication and division we have to report our answer with the least significant figure. So it has 2 significant figure, it has 3 significant figure, and it has also 3 significant figure. So we will report our answer with 2 significant figures. So it is our final answer.